Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Chrome and using the exact profile where Bing shows up. This ensures you change the right settings. Once done, check Chrome, //settings/search engines to see current defaults and any listed Bing entries so you know what to remove. Make sure you have a replacement search engine in mind, like Google or DuckDuckGo, because changing the default is immediate. This prevents accidental redirects. If an enterprise policy blocks changes, note that for later troubleshooting so you don't waste time. Now remove the integrations. Go to Chrome, //extensions and disable or delete anything referencing Bing because extensions can force searches. Next, back in search engine settings, set your preferred default and remove Bing entries so Chrome won't revert. Then right-click your Chrome shortcut, choose Properties, and delete any URL text after Chrome. exe. Sometimes malware appends a Bing redirect there. Also clear cookies and site data for Bing. This removes stored redirects. These steps stop both extension and URL-based redirection. Finish by restarting Chrome and testing searches in the address bar to confirm Bing is gone. This verifies the change across tabs. If you still see Bing, use Settings Reset and Clean Up to restore defaults because that removes hidden configuration. Make sure to scan with your antivirus or anti-malware tool. Some unwanted programs re-add search redirects. If an enterprise or school account manages policies, contact the administrator. Otherwise, a local Reset Plus scan usually resolves lingering cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.